Celine and welcome back to my channel. It is officially the first video of 2018. It feels so weird to say 2018 because for so long I was trying to get used to 2017. Now it's like bam, new year. This morning I was in the process of gathering a few items that I wanted to resell and make a little extra cash, and then I decided this would be actually a really good video for you guys to watch because I know right now it's after the holidays. We all need a little extra cash inside of our pockets. So I decided to film it. So I'm going to share with you guys my techniques and the things that I've been posting and like how I go about posting so that I can get the most money for my items. I know there are a lot of different websites and apps where you can actually resell your used items. A really popular one is called Poshmark or something like that. But the one that I actually used is called Mercari, and I love it because it's very user-friendly, especially for beginners, especially if you just want to post something quickly. I feel like it's not as intimidating as eBay, and they don't take a lot of commission from what you sell, which I really do like. If you guys just happen to stumble upon this video, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe to my channel. I have so many different kinds of videos on here, all different lifestyle kind of videos and money-saving ones like this. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you guys know exactly when I upload and you guys don't miss out. The app that I'm going to be using is called Mercari, and I do recommend if you guys are going to download it, you might as well get $10 in credit to buy something in the future, and you just have to use this coupon code. I am not affiliated with them and I am not sponsored by them. This is honestly just one of the apps that I really enjoy using, and I've actually been using them for quite a while and actually purchase a lot of things on here because it's just so easy to look for things and they're always like discounted at a good price. So on this app you can sell pretty much everything and anything that you can think of. It's similar to eBay in the sense that it is pretty much anything that you want to sell on there, and there's always a buyer. Believe me, sometimes I post the weirdest things on there and I think it's not gonna sell, and then it sells. So let's just use this as an example. I am putting this on the Mercari app to sell, and it is a Tory Burch wallet. The first thing that I like to do is do a little bit of research. It takes like 1 minute to find out what the actual retail price of this is, and then to find out what it's selling for on the app. That way you guys get the most money for your item. So what I like to do is just quickly research Tory Burch wallet, coin, purse, and then I see how much it retails for. This one retails for about $115 in store, and then I'll go ahead on the app and I'll type in Tory Burch wallet, and then I'll use the filters that they have and I'll put sold on there. That way I know that is how much people are buying it for, because I want to see the competitive prices. I want to know what other people have sold them for. That way I know how much people are actually going to buy it for and have done well in selling. And the reason why I like comparing the retail price to the price that I'm going to sell it for is so that I can add that information in the description box, because it looks more appealing to someone to know that they have something that could be worth $115. And so I feel like it gives you a little bit more credibility in the sense that you're not overpricing your items that you're listing on there. Next, let's talk about pictures. I do notice a lot of times when I'm on the app and I'm trying to find something that I want to buy, I look for the nicest pictures because I feel like I will see great quality. Overall, nobody wants to see something that's like in a dark room, bad lighting, because you don't really get to see what the product looks like. So I always like to do it in natural lighting. Just wait till it's morning outside, put it on a flat surface or put it somewhere where it's not going to have a distracting background. I always just like to place it on a white desk or like a countertop or something like that, and then I'll go ahead and I'll start taking pictures. What I also like about Mercari is that it only allows you to take 4 pictures, which can be a good thing or a bad thing, but I think it's a good thing because it allows you to concentrate on the most important things when it comes to the pictures. So I'll do a picture of like the actual product all itself, and then I'll concentrate on little things like the inside of the wallet, the back of the wallet, like different angles. Another thing that I do recommend is if there are any flaws, to list them down in the description box, because I feel like you get that trust with the buyer, and then that way they don't give you a bad rating saying like, oh, you didn't mention there was a scratch, and then you get a bad rating and then nobody's going to want to buy from you ever again. So I would recommend if there are any flaws with what you have, just be honest and just say, hey, there's a scratch in the corner, it's not that noticeable but it's there, or there's a stain in the middle, or there's, you know, whatever it is, just be honest in your description. I'll show you guys a quick tutorial on how easy it is to post something. So first you're just going to pick the 4 pictures that you want, add it into the listing, then you're going to type in the description. They also help you with a suggested price to sell it at, and when it comes to shipping, they give you a little cheat sheet, a little guide on how to make sure that you are buying the right shipping and exactly how much it is and whether you're paying for it or the buyer is going to pay for it. Another thing that I do notice that a lot of buyers like is, of course, the original packaging. If you have the original box that came with it or the dust bag or anything like that, it's nice to include it because then they feel like they bought something new or they have something nice. And so I always like to include like the boxes or anything like that, and I'll put it in the picture. But I did have the shoe box to some hunter boots that I posted on there, and I feel like it got a lot of views. A lot of people do want, you know, to have just like the whole package together, so it's nice if you do have it to include it. Oh, it's my bestie. Hello, bestie. I think when it's bigger items and when it's like fashionable items, I like to put them in a nice background just because I feel like there are so many different listings and you want yours to stand out in order for someone to like click on it and actually buy it. And so for that reason, I put like different textures or like a cute little like furry faux rug or like put it behind like a plain wall to like really just like make that one item stand out. So you don't want anything that's like too busy and that's going to distract your product from being seen and being clicked on so that it can be bought. Once again, that app is called Mercari, and right now they do have a $10 credit to whoever downloads the app, but you have to use this code in order for you to redeem those $10, which I think is really great because usually it's only $2 credit that you get for using the code, but this time they're giving away 10, and I think that's only for a limited amount of time. I hope you guys learned something new and how to make a little extra cash on the side, because I feel like we all have items that we want to get rid of, but they're too nice to get rid of, so might as well make a little extra money on them. So that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I upload every Friday. Today was a bonus video. I hope this video was helpful and it showed you guys how you can resell used pre-loved items. That way you can make a little extra cash on the side and get rid and declutter your house because it's really important. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Turn on those notifications and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps me out. It gives my video more engagement and it shows up on other people's feed, which makes other people want to click on it. So that is how you help me with that like. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll talk to you guys nech time. Muchos besos. Mwah.